Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the 11 best portable air compressors for truck tires. If you are a truck driver, then it is of utmost necessity that you ensure your truck has accurate tire pressure. There are portable air compressors that most truck drivers travel with in case it becomes essential to pump up their tires. However, there are some factors to consider when buying a portable air compressor. They include length of wire. The best portable air compressor for RV tires that you want to buy should come with a long wire, long enough to properly connect the air compressor to either a battery or the power outlet of your truck. Also, with the proper length of wire, you can conveniently take it to a tire to fill it with air. The length of wire for the air compressor of your choice should at least be 10 feet to effortlessly get to all of the tires of your truck. Maximum air pressure. Any portable air compressor you want to buy should have at least a maximum air pressure of 100 psi or even higher. It is important to check this information as it reveals the type of tires it can easily inflate without any issues. Power draw. The best portable air compressor for truck tires you should go for should not have a high power draw as it can ruin the battery. It is best to buy a portable air compressor with a power draw of 180 watts or less since you only use it for your truck. In this video, we compiled the list of the best portable air compressor for truck tires reviews that would help you buy the best product. Now that you know the factors to consider before buying the portable air compressor for truck tires, let's get started by bringing you the 11 best air compressors for truck tires. Follow me as I show you the 11 best portable air compressors for truck tires. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. One. Viar 008888P Portable Air Compressor. This is one of the best heavy-duty truck tire inflators that weigh 4.5 pounds and come with a 12-volt, 120 psi max working pressure. This best portable air compressor for RV tires is ideal for small ATVs, trucks, SUVs, and sedans with 33 inches tires. This product features LED, power indicator, 10 FT, power cord, 16 featuring air hose, and 3 PC inflation tip kit. You can power this product by using alligator clamps direct to the battery, and it comes with 1-year warranty. Features of the Viar 008888P portable air compressor are 10 feet long power cord, 120 psi maximum air pressure, 240 watts power draw, LED lights, 47 CFM, suitable for up to 33-inch tires, high power air compressor, 1-year warranty. 2. EP Auto 12 volts DC portable air compressor pump, digital tire inflator, is the best air compressor for RV winterizing that comes with lots of useful accessories, including alligator clips, and hose extension, 3-piece inflation tip kit, user manual, air compressor, carrying case, and warranty card. It comes with an impressive 3-year warranty. EP Auto 12 volts DC portable air compressor pump, digital tire inflator is one of the best portable air compressors for RV tires with twin motors for easy and quick inflation. This portable air compressor has a maximum air pressure of 40 psi and a power draw of 180 watts. Best features of portable dual-cylinder air compressor, 6 feet long power cord. Reliable and durable. 40 psi maximum air pressure. 180 watts power draw. 3-year warranty. Comes with different useful accessories. Twin motors. 3. GSPSCN Silver Tire Inflator Air Compressor. This is one of the best heavy-duty truck tire inflators that offers various air compressor alternatives. This best portable air compressor for truck tires allows you to pump up your tires easily and provides maximum air pressure of 150 psi using twin motors. It has a power draw of 120 watts. Best features of GSPSCN Silver Tire Inflator Air Compressor are 9 feet long power cord, 150 psi maximum air pressure, twin motor design, 70 liters of air per minute, 120 watts power draw. Comes with a range of accessories. Uses rubber feet. 4. Joyroom Portable Air Compressor is one of the most durable and best heavy-duty truck tire inflators with a 1.5-year warranty. You get a maximum air pressure of 150 psi in this air compressor to effortlessly inflate truck tires. Some components of this air compressor include a 3-piece inflation tip kit, air compressor, warranty card, and user manual. It has a power draw of 120 watts and a 5-year warranty. Best features: Joyroom portable air compressor R, 10 feet long power cord, 150 psi maximum air pressure, 120 watts power draw, inbuilt pressure display, LED light torch, silent motor, auto shut-off function, 5-year warranty. 5. Tirewell 12 volts tire inflator air compressor is still one of the best portable air compressors for RV tires. It offers a maximum air pressure of 150 psi and a power draw of 180 watts. It comes with a 3-year warranty and a long 11.5 feet connection cord to easily access all tires. Best features of Tirewell 12V tire inflator air compressor are: 150 psi maximum air pressure, 180 watts power draw, 5 feet long power cord, 3-year warranty. Comes with various accessories. Decent build quality. Twin motor design. 6. Slime tire inflator air compressor. This is one of the best portable air compressors for truck tires that can easily and quickly pump up heavy-duty tires. It offers a maximum air pressure of 150 psi and only takes up 180 watts of power draw. Best features of Slime tire inflator air compressor includes 30 feet long power cord, 150 psi maximum air pressure, 180 watts power draw, decent build quality, inbuilt LED, 1-year warranty. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. 7. Kenson portable air compressor. It has both AC and DC power outlets, making it one of the best heavy-duty truck tire inflators you can easily use at home and on the road. This air compressor has a maximum air pressure of 100 psi, and it provides this air pressure due to its 120-watt motor. It comes with components such as a 2-piece inflation tip kit, air compressor, twin power connectors, user manual, and warranty card. Best features: Kenson portable air compressor includes 32-inch long hose, dual motors, 100 psi maximum air pressure, 120 watts power draw, highly reliable and durable. Tire air pressure gauge at the front. Works with both 12V and 110V. 2 years warranty. 8. Viar 4040400 PRV automatic portable compressor kit. This is one of the best portable air compressors for RV tires. This product features an inflation gun, gauge, air hose, pressure switch, carrying case, and RV accessories. Best features of Viar 4040400 PRV automatic portable compressor kit includes 60-inch long hose, 150 psi maximum air pressure, ideal for adjusting tire pressure on RVs and trailers, highly reliable and durable, works with 12-volt. 9. Ryobi P737 18 volts 1 plus portable cordless power inflator, is a cordless tire inflator that is battery powered. It can inflate tires from 0 to 150 psi. You can easily access all tires without issues of cord length since it is cordless. Best features of Ryobi P737 18 volts 1 plus portable cordless power inflator. It is cordless. 150 psi max air pressure. Has a 12-volt charger option. Sports equipment needle. 2 high-pressure nozzles. Comes with a 3-year warranty. 10. Auto portable air compressor pump. Is a 12 volts digital tire inflator that measures 7.4 inches by 6.8 inches by 2.8 inches. It comes with an automatic shut-off feature. This implies that you can set your desired pressure and allow the inflator to perform its task. It features an LED light LCD on the front of the unit, along with a pair of LED lights that can be generated to flash or stay on/off. The power cord on this unit measures 10 feet, while the air hose is 2 feet long. This air compressor has a maximum pressure of 150 psi and a flow rate of 35 liters per minute. Best features of Auto portable air compressor pump. It is easy to use. It is affordable. 150 psi maximum air pressure. It is durable and reliable. 11. Black Plus Decora C300 Air Station Inflator, is one of the best air compressors for RV winterizing. It has an automatic shut-off feature called an Easy Air Dial, which allows you to set the preferred air pressure. It measures 12.1 inches by 8.1 inches by 6.8 inches and is rated at 160 psi. With this product, you can use your car's cigarette lighter or a standard power outlet, allowing you also to use it in your household to pump objects. In conclusion, it is important to inflate your tires properly for safer driving. Tires that are not inflated or underinflated have a negative effect on fuel economy. It also leads to premature wear and tears, thereby setting you back a huge amount of money. Some vehicles are equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, but this doesn't mean you should wait until the light illuminates to check your tire's pressure. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.